Can't hear anyone in Google Meet. Whether meeting audio is completely silent, other participants' voices aren't playing, or the sound cuts in and out, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the Google Meet no sound issue in 2026. First, make sure your computer or mobile device isn't muted and the volume is turned up. If you're using headphones or external speakers, verify that they're connected properly and powered on. Next, open the Google Meet settings and check the audio section. Make sure the correct speaker or output device is selected. Choosing the wrong audio output can make it seem like there's no sound. Verify that your browser isn't muting the Google Meet tab. Also, check your operating system's sound settings to make sure audio is being sent to the correct playback device. If other apps are using your audio device, close them before returning to Google Meet. Applications like media players, communication apps, or recording software can sometimes cause audio conflicts. Now refresh the Google Meet page or leave and rejoin the meeting. If the issue continues, update your web browser to the latest version to resolve possible compatibility problems. Finally, restart your computer or mobile device and test Google Meet again. If you're using Windows and the problem continues, updating your audio drivers may also help restore normal sound. And that's how to fix the Google Meet no sound issue in 2026. In most cases, checking your audio output, browser settings, connected devices, and software updates will get your meeting audio working again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.